List all elements of the set. A is a set of all x such that x is an odd natural number. Odd natural numbers start from 1 to infinity. Natural numbers are positive counting numbers starting from 1. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 dots means to infinity. Odd numbers are integers that cannot be divided evenly by 2. Therefore, the numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7 up to infinity. Because the rule doesn't specify an upper limit, this set goes on forever. We represent this infinity nature using the 3 dots. Therefore, our answer is A is a set of 1, 3, 5, 7 up to infinity. 2. B is a set of all x such that x is an integer where x is greater than minus 1 by 2, less than minus less than 9 by 2. So first convert the fraction to the decimal. Minus 1 by 2 means minus 0.5 and 9 by 2 means 4.5. So x greater than minus 0.5 and less than 4.5. Draw the number line minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So x is greater than minus 0.5 means somewhere minus 0.5 lies at here and 4.5 lies at between a 4 and 5 somewhere at here. So we want the integers strictly between minus 0.5 and 4.5. So the integers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, the set is B is a set of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The question states x must be an integer, means a whole number, positive, negative or 0. The fractional values like the 1.5, 2.3 are not allowed because we want integers. X is an integer where x square is less than or equal to 4. Test the integer squares. Minus 3 square is equal to 9. So 9 is greater than 4, therefore it is false. Minus 2 square is equal to 4, true, because 4 is equal to 4. Minus 1 square is a 1, is true because 1 is less than 4. 0 square is equal to 0 is true because 0 is less than 4. 1 square is equal to 1 is true because 1 is less than 4. 2 square is equal to 4 is true because 4 is equal to 4. Therefore, the set is C is a set of minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. 4. D is a set of all x such that x is a letter in the word loyal. List all letters in the word loyal. They are L, O, Y, A, L. But here L occurs for 2 times. But the rules say that do not repeat any element in the set. Therefore, we will remove a repeated letter L. Therefore, our set is D is a set of L, O, Y, A. X. E is a set of all x such that x is a month of a year not having 31 days. A standard calendar year has a 12 months. Let's filter out the months that contain exactly 30 days or 28 or 29 days because we want a month of a year not having a 31 days. January has 31 days, so it doesn't include. February has a 28 or 29 days, so it is less than 31, so we will include it in the set. February. March has 31, so it doesn't include. April has 30 days, so it is less than 31, so include April. May has 31 days, so it doesn't include. June has 30 days, it is less than 30, so include June. July has a 31 days. August has 31 days, so exclude it. September has 30 days, include it. October has 31 days, exclude. November has 30 days, include. December has 31 days, exclude. So we will include only those months which has days less than 31. Therefore our set is E is a set of February 28 29 days, April 30 days, June 30 days, September 30 days, November 30 days. 6. F is a set of all x such that x is a consonant in English alphabet which precedes the K. Consonant means any letter that is not a vowel. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and precede K means letters that appear before the K in alphabetical order. So write down the letters before K. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. The rules state that X must be a consonant. X is a consonant. Therefore, we will remove the vowels. Vowels are A, E, I. So remove it. Therefore, the set is F is a set of B, C, D, F, G, H, J. Match the roster form to the set builder form. 1, 2, 3, 6. They all are the numbers that divide the 6 perfectly without leaving any remainders are 6 divided by 1 is a 6, 6 divided by 2 is a 3, 6 divided by 3 is a 2, and 6 divided by 6 is equal to 1. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 6 are the divisor of the 6, and they all are natural numbers. Natural number means the numbers that start from the 1 and goes to the infinity. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 6, this set builder form is x is a set of all x such that x is a natural number and divisor of 6. Prime numbers means the numbers that have only the two factors, 1 and the number itself. 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. So the 2 has only the two factors, 1 and the 2 itself. So it is a prime number. 3 is also a prime number because it has a two factor, 1 and the 3, the number itself, and they both are the divisor of the 6. Therefore, the set 2, 3 can be written as set of all x such that x is a prime number and divisor of 6. This is a mathematics. Mathematics means M, M, A, A, T, T, H, H, E, E. M appear two times, therefore the set doesn't contain the repeated element. Therefore, cancel it or drop it. Therefore, M get cancelled, A get cancelled, T get cancelled. Therefore, I, C, S. Therefore, it can be written as X is a set of all X such that X is a letter of the word mathematics. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. They all are natural numbers. Identify the natural numbers less than the 10, which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, and filter for only the odd numbers. Odd number means the numbers that are not divisible by the 2. The odd numbers from the group are 1, 3 is not divisible by the 3, 2, 5, 7, and 9. Therefore, set of 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 can be written as set of all x such that x is a odd natural number less than 10. They are less than 10. Yes, they are less than 10s. Are they natural numbers? Yes, they are all natural numbers. Are they odd natural numbers? Yes, they are all are odd natural numbers because they are not divisible by 2. Thank you.